how to use the Business Lead Finder. Business Lead Finder is a nice area where you can find affiliate prospects and even clients with this. You click here, Business Lead Finder, you select a state, you click Find State, then you can select the city. For example, you can sort cities and go one after the other because it has a go to next city, but you can select a specific city, which I'm going to do, and then you can type whatever here. We have some suggestions, but definitely you can, for example, put spas, and then you click to search industry, okay, and the program opens a page with all the spas. Then we're gonna pick let's see, this spa. Okay, now you call the prospect, talk, etc. So now it's you know, the person is interested in your offer, whatever. And remember that you have a telemarketing system integrated that you can use to that purpose. And then what is important, once the person is interested, so you want to import it, so to speak, you just grab it from the last digit of the telephone number to the first letter. It's important that you do this perfectly, to the first letter of the name, and then you come back to the program and click import Google Maps, and you can see we have imported the data, and we have the website, the phone number, and the name. It's very easy and very useful, and now you're ready to put your notes, and presumably you already have the email because you talk to the person. Google Maps don't have emails, but the beauty of using Google Maps as opposed to just simply searching is that in Google Maps they list people that don't have a website. Also, they have people that have websites and people that don't have websites. So that is important because you're gonna find leads that otherwise by searching you wouldn't find because that person wouldn't have a website. So it's important that you use this area of Business Lead Finder.